Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Philippine Sports Commission. Looking for the best deals? Head to Robinson's Department Store, your one-stop shop for daily essentials and unbeatable savings. Don't miss out. Shop now.
Paano kayo napasok sa table tennis? Yung iba kasi ayaw nila gawin ko ano yung ginagawa ng parents nila eh. Paano ba?
Actually, for us, hindi naman po kami like pinush ng parents namin to pursue table tennis.
Okay.
For me, ako lang po talaga yung interested. Like, ayaw po kasi nila kaming pilitin kung hindi kami interesado. Pero ako po yung parang nag-push na gusto ko pong itry, gusto ko pong maglaro until, ayun po, na nag-excel din po and ang dami ko pong nakilalang friends. So, tinuloy-tuloy ko na po.
When did you decide or what made you decide na maging competitive? Kasi yung iba, libangan lang. Magpapagaling lang, lalabanan ng pustahan yung mga kaibigan nila. What made you decide to become competitive?
I think it's in my nature na rin to be competitive. Like, when I started, I hated losing. So,
okay.
I think dun po nag-start na gusto kong maging better and better and better kasi, yun nga, I hate losing po.
Okay. So Keith, paano yung pagiging national team member? Was that really your plan?
To be honest, nung first time ko po kasi nung 12 ako sumali sa national selection, I joined without any expectations. I just want to know kung hanggang saan yung kaya ko and yung capacity ko when it comes sa buong Pilipinas na. Then, surprisingly, umabot po ako sa national team. I was number 4 that time. So, ayun po, tinuloy ko na rin po. Like, I joined without any expectations. Kaya, gulat na lang din po ako and yung parents ko na umabot po ako sa national team at that age.
How were you able to balance everything, your studies and family life and of course training?
Actually right now I'm not studying.
Okay.
Like hindi po ako pumasok ng college kasi I went to the US last year to play leagues. So hindi po muna ako nakapag-enroll. Pero nung time po na nasa high school and elementary ako, na-balance ko po siya by time management lang po siguro na usually sa yung pasok po namin before is 7:15 until 3:20. So pumapasok ako sa school, then after school training po. Then after training, yun na po yung time with family.
I see. What do you plan to study eventually?
I'm planning to study in Germany.
Okay.
I might.
I see. Anong course ang kukunin mo doon?
Ang options ko po daw is nursing or business management. So,
Alin ang mas pabor sa'yo?
parang mas gusto ko yung business.
Yeah. Parang kasi, pag competitive ka, mahirap maging nurse. Diba? Sige, so ate, yung pagkapanalo mo sa New York, no, yung WTT Youth Contender, how big a deal is that? Because I'm sure a lot of people are not aware. Gaano kalaki?
I kind of expected myself to reach the podium talaga kasi marami na po ako nasalihan na WTT. So sa kada sali ko po, nandun na po yung expectations and yung parang yung gusto mo na lang pong maabot kasi I mean, sa first time, pwedeng sabihin na, okay, next time ulit. Pero, for me, gusto ko po sana na hanggat nakakasali na ako ng nakakasali na nananalo na rin po ako kasi gusto ko po na maangat yung Philippines when it comes to table tennis kasi wala po masyado nakakapaglaro internationally. So, whenever I get the chance to compete, I really try my best to reach podium para makita ng ibang countries na may representative din po yung Philippines.
Okay. So sinong sumusuporta sa'yo? Sinong tumutulong sa'yo? Because travel is expensive.
Sinusuportahan po ako ng parents ko and usually yung mga winnings ko po like iniipon ko sila so may panggastos ako next time. Then may may mga association or may mga nag-sponsor po ng mga hotels. And yan po.
I see. Pag sinabi mong you play leagues, no? Anong ibig sabihin nun? May regular tournaments ba yan? How often do they play? Kasi sa tennis halimbawa, linggo-linggo. Ba basketball after one tournament may pahinga. Sa inyo paano ba?
Sa US, I played Major League Table Tennis. Yung setup po niya is per month. Pero depende po sa schedule, like sometimes 2 per month.
Okay.
Or sometimes month lang siya. Or sometimes this month meron, then next month wala, then next month meron. Pero I'm currently not in the major league anymore. So last year, yun po yung yun po yung sitwasyon doon.
Okay. Sinong kasama mo pag naglalaro ka sa ibang bansa?
It depends. If self-funded, usually ako lang. Pero pagka sponsored by PSC or ng PTTF, kasama ko po yung national team and yung coaches ko po.
Okay. But you play both singles and mixed doubles? Or namimili ka lang?
Depende po sa events na pwedeng salihan. Like, as much as possible, I try to play all the events po. Like, flexible naman po ako sa kahit anong events.
At this level, no? What's the enjoyment you get? Kasi you're among the best in the country already, you're winning internationally. Ano pang nai-enjoy mo sa table tennis?
Table tennis, I think to be able to travel to different countries and meet new people, like hindi lang Filipinos, parang nami-meet ko yung iba't ibang countries, tapos nakakapag-socialize din. And for me, sa totoo lang, yung pinaka nakaka-enjoy is yung pag nananalo, yung parang ang sarap sa feeling umuwi sa bansa every time alam mong may medal ka na mauuwi sa Philippines.
What about Keith, yung higher aspirations mo, no? Obviously, marami tayong kalaban dito sa Asia. Who do you have to overcome in Asia to qualify for higher tournaments? Like for example, the Olympic Games.
I think as of now, usually sa Olympics ngayon, if you want to qualify for the Olympics, you have to overcome everyone in Southeast Asia siguro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or everyone in particular. Kasi pag sinabi mo pong Asia, kasi andun yung best of the best Like, andun yung China, Japan. Pero for us, dito sa Southeast Asia, if we want to qualify, we have to be the number 1 in the whole Southeast Asia.
Sino malakas sa Southeast Asia sa inyo?
Everyone, but the best is probably Thailand. Next
okay.
is Singapore.
Oo nga.
Tapos Malaysia and Vietnam.
Ang dami palang mabibigat. But when you compete in the US, may pagkakaiba ba yung style nila ng paglaro doon at yung style ng paglaro natin dito?
Meron like USA and Philippines?
Yeah. I mean, is there a difference? Are they more aggressive? Ano bang mga pagkakaiba sa strategy?
I would say they're probably more consistent and more, more exposed. Kasi yung mga US citizen po, sila parang marami silang sinasalihan. And even within the country, marami silang matches. And marami pong ibang country na dumadayod mismo sa USA para makapag-compete. Kasi yung country mismo nila, like magandang country yung USA. So parang, parang ginagol ng lahat na makapunta doon. So siguro, rin sa kanila yon, parang bonus na rin sa kanila yon. Kaya mas nakakapag-improve din po sila.
Kasama mo sa kalendaryo mo ngayon yung Southeast Asian Games sa December?
Opo.
Okay. What are odds there? Gaano kalakas yung team natin ngayon?
I think 50-50.
Okay.
Like, if we play well, siguro may chance din naman po makamedal. Pero hindi po magiging madali kasi yun po, lahat po ng ibang countries may preparation and lahat po sila from now, nagsasali na sila ng iba't ibang competitions to practice their singles, doubles, mixed doubles. So I think kailangan namin pa mas mag-double time and mas mas sumali sa ibang bansa to be more exposed and ready for the SEA Games sa December.
Okay, marami pa bang nagte-table tennis dito sa Pilipinas?
Marami pa naman po, and hopefully yung mga kabataan ngayon na nasa siguro ages ng 12, 13, sana mas mas ma-inspire pa sila na mag-training kasi sila po yung next generation eh. So,
para namang napakatanda mo na. Nasasaktan ako. But for you personally, don't you ever get tired or let's say napapagod ka or nagsasawa kapag pag mabigat ang training?
Siyempre magsisinungaling naman ako pag sinabi kong hindi ako napapagod.
Oo.
Pero like lang siguro na i-compare mo yung yung importance ng pagiging pagod mo and yung importance ng dream mo na gusto mo ma-achieve. And as long na mas nag-weigh yung gusto mong ma-achieve, kakayanin mo kahit gaano ka pa kapagod.
Keith, in your mind, if let's say children or younger people will ask you, kung susubukan ko ang table tennis, what qualities do I have to have? Ano ba ang dapat kong kakayahan o kaya kong gawin?
For me, sa table tennis, especially sa akin ngayon, parang ang pinaka-importante is you're willing to sacrifice a lot. Like, growing up, I'd never had the childhood talaga na same sa other people. Kumbaga, yung iba, diba, nag-enjoy, ganyan. Ako nagte-training. So, if you're willing to sacrifice that, then that's good. Tapos, dapat din malakas yung mental health mo. Kasi talagang ang daming pagsubok and stress, especially, kunwari sa table tennis, parang kahit sa paglalaro, nakaka-stress yung iisipin mo, saan mo ilalagay yung bola, saan yung weakness ng kalaban mo. So, ayun, dapat ready ka physically and mentally if you wanna be more on the professional side.
Okay. No regrets?
No regrets.
No social life also?
Bumabawi ako ngayon.
Oo naman, siyempre. Importante rin naman yon. But as an athlete, how do you think na bago ng table tennis yung buhay mo?
I think mas natulungan pa ako maging a little bit more mature.
Okay.
Like,
Konti
siguro, konti lang. Kunwari sa stress nga, di ba sabi ko po, may stress siya and may, so nakakatulong siya na mas mag-strengthen yung mental capabilities ko. So, when it comes to real life, minsan parang mas nakakaya ko na yung mga problema na siguro dati iiyakan ko. Pero ngayon, parang kaya ko na siyang harapin kasi ang dami ko nang na overcome sa sport ko mismo na mas mabigat pa dun sa kung ano man parating sa life ko na problems.
What are your goals? What's the calendar like for this year and next year?
This year, starting September, yun nga, baka leagues po in Europe, then SEA Games on December. Pero overall, pinaka-goal ko is yung 2028 Olympics.
LA, yeah. Oo.
And, ewan ko, feel ko, gusto ko rin talaga sana na ma-inspire talaga yung mga younger generations. Kasi, parang ang daming talented na athletes na nasasayang dahil pagka dumating sila sa teenage, parang nagkakaroon ng, yun nga, yung mga sinasabing second thoughts, parang
daming distractions.
Opo, like,
Kaka-boyfriend. Tapos mas mahirap ang school.
Pero yun, parang, sana mas mag-step up yung iba to, parang para mas marami pong nakasunod and mas mga magre-represent ng country po.
Alright, so thank you very much.